one. Ah, okay, okay. Yeah, we are 2%. Okay. Ah. Okay.
いくらですか？
12,100
OK。
for 2 tickets. Let's go. We have best time. So we'll do it after.
OK, let's go.
So, hello, konnichiwa everyone, assalamu alaikum. This is your host Naveed Anjum. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are departing from Minami Yono station to Nagano station, and we are traveling through bullet train. Do you know a bullet train? In Japan, we used to call it Shinkansen. So the speed of this bullet train is approximately 320 kilometers. Maybe the train will be arriving here in within few minutes. So we'll be showing you that how the bullet train looks like in Japan. The interior of that bullet train will be showing you how it looks from the inside, because we are ourselves, we are traveling through that Shinkansen or bullet train. One interesting thing I want to share with you people is if you are having or carrying a bicycle with you, if you are having a lot of luggage with you, you can carry the luggage with yourself. You can even carry your bicycle with you in the Shinkansen. So if you are interested and curious about knowing the Shinkansen, so stay tuned and stay connected. See you. So guys, I just entered into this bullet train. The interior of this bullet train looks very amazing, and the seating arrangement is very well. Let me find a seat for me first, and then I'll be recording many things for you people. Let me find a seat for me. Okay. So I just found a seat for me, and I got a window seat. Let me see how it looks from the window. Oh my god, there is another bullet train just arriving at this Omiya station, and it's green in color. Maybe our train will just be departing within a few seconds. Hopefully it will start moving in a few moments. Okay, and oh yeah, our train just started moving from this Omiya station. I'm so much excited actually. This journey is going to be a memorable journey, hopefully. And yes, we have been departed from this Omiya station towards Nagano station, and this bullet train will hopefully be achieving its speed of approximately 320 or 40 kilometers per hour. And yeah, I'll be showing you the very beautiful scenes from this window seat, hopefully. And so let me move from this seating arrangement, and I'll be showing you the interior of this bullet train. I'll also be able to show you some sightseeing from this bullet train, as well as some washroom systems, that how it looks. So first of all, I'm staying here in the gallery, and I'll be showing you the gallery view from this bullet train. It looks amazing. This is kind of a field, right? Some kind of rural area. It looks stunning and beautiful. Japan is actually very famous for preserving the natural beauty. You can easily see the natural beauty. It's very green, and I can also show you the from the other window of this gallery. Yes, it's green and lavish. Actually, the other countries should learn from Japan how to preserve the natural beauty. These are some glass sound barriers so that the neighbors may not get affected or may displeased by the sound of this bullet train. So moving forward, I'll be showing you the washroom systems inside this bullet train. This is for gents, and the other next one is for gents as well as for ladies. So let's enter. It is, what's inside? It's kind of a western toilet seats, and the persons who likes to use this toilet seat while standing, it's actually their preference that what kind of toilet seat they prefer. And let me move to the next one, which is usually for the gents as well as for ladies, and how it looks. Oh my god, it's very clean. Yes, I'll be showing you that what is located. Yes, this bullet train is equipped with this western kind of commode seat, and what is located in the what's available, let me check. Yeah, there is a kind of button system, like some washlet systems. There are tissues available. Modern kind of flush system is also equipped with this commode kind of seats, and there is a wash basin. It's very neat and clean. You can see how amazing they are. They just keep everything very neat and clean. And yeah, there is a baby seat over there. If a lady or a gent is carrying her or his baby with them, they can easily just put their baby over that seat, and they can easily use that commode seat easily. Okay, so this was all about the cleanliness of the toilet seats and how it looks. They kept it very neat and clean so that the visitors or the tourists can easily use. So coming back to this gallery view, you can see they in Japan actually they usually prefer vertical kind of construction and infrastructure. The infrastructure is always very beautiful, because due to the reason that Japan is mostly comprising of islands, so they don't have enough space for the construction purpose. Therefore, they don't usually prefer horizontal construction, horizontal infrastructure, and instead they usually prefer vertical kind of structure. And yes, here you can see the mesmerizing views around the city. This city is actually located in the heart of the mountainous area. You can see, oh my god, I am in love with this very beautiful place. It's located in the middle of Omiya to Nagano, and yeah, you can see the very far off mountains and the lavish greenery, as well as the urban city here located. Is amazing. Oh my god, you can just enjoy it. We are finally out of this Shinkansen bullet train. It was really a fantastic journey of around 1 hour from Omiya station to Nagano station. The speed of this bullet train was approximately 340 kilometers per hour. And do you know the main interesting thing? That is, Japan is going to launch a bullet train of approximately 640 kilometers per hour. That's really amazing. If they become successful, that would be great. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel if you are interested in more such videos. Sayonara. Please take a picture.
Done. ちょっと待ってね。OK。
Okay.